What are you willing to do for your love? To what extent are you willing to go to make her or him happy? What if they have some unreasonable demands that if you truly love me, prove it by doing this or that?
Do it yourself.
That way you'll remain single your whole life. Well, let's see in a few years when your hormones are in overdrive, then what your response is. Because once you are infatuated and obsessed with somebody, you might have even experienced it. I mean, the desire of being in touch all the time, the insecurity, the jealousy, always trying to please the other person. Baby, don't go. Yes? You can relate to this, isn't it? No? You believe in being Sigma?
Yes. Sometimes.
Yeah, great Sasar. In this poem, the stage is set. There's an arena where two lions are fighting in the field, and the king and the courtiers and all the public are watching this entertainment. At that time, this was an entertainment. Gladiator matches. Have you seen the movie Gladiator? Or you know what is a gladiator? They fight each other to death. So, the King Francis is called as hearty, meaning he's a very good-hearted king. And he has all the courtiers and their beloved, that is the ladies, in their pride. Now here pride is a pun. Pride is a collective noun for lions. And pride also means being proud of your beauty or your achievements or your wealth. One of the counts was Count Deloge. Now he was known for his valor, bravery. So the theme of this story is valor and love. At that time, centuries ago, men were stereotyped to do anything for their valor. For them, honor, respect, bravery, these words were very important, unlike today's men. And women at that time, centuries ago, they were known for their beauty, their job was just to look their best and support. And that also means that they loved attention. They loved to be in the limelight. And that's what happened to Count Deloge's beloved. When King Francis joked with his courtiers that we are better off sitting here rather than being in the field with the lions, the ferocious lions with a bloody war going on between them. So intense that one could even feel the blood froth in the air. At that time, the lady removed her glove and threw it in the field and then looked at him. She didn't speak anything. See, if you're a true lover, you should understand her mind, isn't it? She won't tell you what she wants. You have to figure out what she wants if you truly love her. Do you agree? Communication is not required in a relationship. Are you in one, Neve?
No, sir.
Oh, you are in situationship. Why did she throw it? For two reasons. One, to test his love. Is he brave enough? And does he love her enough to get it for her? And also she wanted to be a center of attention. If he comes back victorious, then everybody would praise him, and a side effect would that be would be that even she would be in the limelight that she wanted. He understood the assignment. He went quickly into the arena, got the glove and came back. He survived. He was fast enough to do that. And everybody cheered for him. Bravo. And then he looked at her face and threw the glove on her face and walked away. And the king said, rightly done. And the moral of the story is that whenever you see vanity, ego, excessive pride in one's beauty, that I am unattainable, you'll have to compete with each other to win me. Walk away. Walk away from toxic relationships. It's not worth it. Unreasonable demands are uncalled for. You should have a mature partner. So true love is not based on external appearances or external displays and proofs. What matters is the understanding, the support. What qualities would you look for in your girlfriend in the future, in the far future?
Be friendly and sensible.
Okay. What qualities would you like your future girlfriend or partner to have?
So she should never have me as an option. The day she has me as an option, I'll have to walk out, because if she truly loves me and if she truly has feelings for me, she will never have a second option in place.
Fair enough. I feel your pain. I understand. What qualities do you think you should have to be a good partner or a good boyfriend in the future?
So I should keep her reassuring that I am her.
Keep reassuring.
I should keep reassuring to her so that she could not go on to other guys and I should always and I should give her gifts I will
What
try to
gifts?
give her gifts. I will make her happy. I will spend my quality time with her.
All right. What qualities do you think two partners should have in love?
Loyalty to each other.
Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, if you'd like to enroll for my test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check my description for more information.